In this video, I'm going to talk about how to remove BitLocker in Dell laptop and how we can do this. So if you're having any kind of trouble with BitLocker, sometimes it is really irritating, and there are two different ways how we can do this. So the first thing what we need to do is we have to go over here, navigate to the start button. From here, we need to go to the settings over here. Once you get into this, what we need to do is we have to navigate to the privacy and security. From here, what we need to do is you can see there is an option called device encryption. You have to click on this. Right now, as you can see in my case, the device encryption is actually turned on. If it is turned on, what you need to do is try turning off this. And it says turn off device encryption, which means your files won't be protected and description can take a lot of time. So what I'm saying is, if it is turned on, you can try turning off this. And this is what we have to do as the first step, or how to remove the BitLocker from here. After doing this, if that's not going to help you guys out, then what you need to do is we have to go over here in the search and we need to type here for Windows PowerShell. Sorry, you can just type here like PowerShell here. Then you have to click on this. Not like this. Make sure the PowerShell should be run as an administrator. So I'll close this. Go over here, type here for PowerShell. Then click on Run as Administrator and we have to go for Yes. Now we need to give few commands first. So the first one is all about we need to type manage. You have to type like this, manage. Then what you need to do is we have to type a hyphen like this. Then we need to type BDE. Then we have to put a space, then type hyphen, then type status. You have to type status and just press enter. Now that is going to give you a complete details over here. It says I'm having only one local disk and it says the encryption or the protection status is turned off, which means for me the BitLocker is actually turned off. That is the reason I'm getting this. So the protection status indicate the the status of BitLocker. In my case, it is actually turned off, and for some users this might be turned on. If that is the case, we need to give few more commands. I'll be showing you that one by one. So first we need to type here that if you're having, for example, this is my local disk C, and for me, I'm having on option, protection is on. If that is the case, I just need to type like this. Type like exactly the same with capital and small letter. D should be capital, then type disable. Then you have to put a space, then type BitLocker. Make sure the B should be capital, just type it. Then what you need to do is, just go back, disable, hyphen, then type BitLocker. BitLocker, then put a space, then hyphen, then type mount point. You should be typing mount point, then put a space, then you have to use semicolon. Then here we need to type that you're having trouble with. For me, if I'm having an issue with the local disk C where the protection is turned on, then I need to type C and I just need to press enter over here like this. And make sure the D should be capital, B should be capital, and you should put a space here and type mount point. Then you have to type this and just press enter. Now once you press enter, what happens is the process will take in place. And afterwards, what you need to do is we have to type one more command here. That is, we need to type manage. You have to type manage. Then you have to type following one. So over here it says, right now as you can see, it says disable BitLocker. For me, right now, I'm just going to give one more command here, that is manage. I should type manage. Then you have to use hyphen, then type BDE. Then what you need to do is we have to type space. Then what you need to do is we have to type off. Then you have to put a space. Then type the local disk in which you are having. So C. Then what you need to do is just press enter. Afterwards, what happens is the protection status, if it is turned on, it will be turned off from here. And this is how we can do this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.